Okay. If you ever search for a restaurant, even your own company, on the right-hand side, it comes up, there's a picture, your address, your hours, your website, maybe a couple of people gave reviews. It's called the knowledge graph. I suggest everybody uses it. A lot of you may say, well, I work for a manufacturing company, or I work for a distributor, or we're engineers and we work for, we don't hire, we don't do business locally, we don't have people stop in. It doesn't matter, you hire locally, right? Okay. Well, Google dropped Google Plus, for anybody who was using it. Most people didn't use Google Plus. But they combined everything into this knowledge graph, and it includes a map, but they also includes now something called Google Posts. And what Google Posts are down here. And you can post images and video for free. And you can put about 100 to 300 words, a description of what that is. It's free advertising for your jobs. This is all free. You may need a little help setting up. You may need, again, help with your marketing department, IT, and every company should have this anyway, because Google likes to promote local businesses. And if you have content on here, now you're promoting your local hires, and it shows up in the search engine. So what you do is you have somebody create an image. You say, civil engineer, CNA, RN, data scientist, whatever you're doing. You have that image, and then a link. If you have a job fair, advertise it on here. If you have a blog, make sure blogs on there. If you have an employee of the month, if you have an incentive, this is things beyond the business. This is things HR, recruiting can utilize, and it's free. And every little bit helps. And Google favors this stuff. They like local. And even if you're not doing business locally and you don't want to stop in traffic, you still promote it using that. So another free tool. Okay, so now let's get into the candidate experience. You've got the message out there. You have people that are clicking and you want them to apply.